it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making champagne cocktail. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Cognac, I have here Courvoisier. Champagne, I have here Barefoot. A sugar cube, orange bitters, a maraschino cherry, and an orange. 6 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab it. A champagne flute, a jigger, a bar spoon, and a knife. First step, what we're going to do is we're going to chill all of these items here. Your champagne, your glass, and your cognac. Grab your sugar cube and place the sugar on the bar spoon like this. Next, grab your bitters. What we're going to do is coat the bitters on the sugar cube. Drop the sugar cube into the glass. Now grab your cognac, pour 1 ounce into the sugar. Pour the cognac into the glass. It's champagne time, so grab your champagne, pour our champagne into the glass. Now what we're going to do is peel our orange. Squeeze the orange zest on top of the glass. The last step is to garnish the drink with the maraschino cherry. And there you go, my friends, the champagne cocktail. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.